Hey guys, so I am vlogging today because today is my last day at work before I go off on maternity leave. It is a Sunday. I'm working a late shift. If you don't know, I work for a hotel, so it's shift work most of the time. And today is my last shift before I come off for a year to have a baby. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. There isn't an awful lot that I can show you guys of my actual work because, hello, it's my job. But I figured I would take you guys along with me for as much of it as I can. And if nothing else, this kicks off my first maternity vlog of 2020. So let's go because probably need. So this is what I generally wear to work. This is not the uniform that we have. However, because I'm pregnant, it's a case of find something that fits and go for it. So it's just this black bodycon dress with some black tights, black shoes, and I'll wear my name badge. And of course a face mask because we are COVID-19 secure. But without further ado, I am gonna crack on and get to work. Guys, so I just got to work. I'm not working today. My last day was last week. I read the rota wrong. I thought I was on a DM shift today, and I'm not. So I got up, I shipped Nicholas and Spuggy off to his mum's for the day. I got showered, I got dressed for work, and I'm not working. So I don't really know what to do with myself. I think I'll probably just go and get a coffee and some toilet roll and go home and do some of the housework, I guess. But yeah, I feel like a bit of an arse. That's alright. What's new? Maybe I'll get some videos filmed this afternoon. Oh my god, what an arse. Okay, well, see you when I'm back home, guys. Okay, so I am back home now and I have put on my comfy clothes. I'm going to put some YouTube on the telly and basically just start the housework. So I'm going to start with the kitchen and then bathroom, bedroom, Nicholas's room, yada yada yada. I'll take you guys along with me. I have decided to stop for a snack and to watch some Danielle Hallen because I am shattered. everyone. So it is Tuesday morning and I'm here with a noodles. Yeah. Spuggy has just left for work, so I am currently back in bed with a cup of tea, about to put something on the telly. Not sure whether it's something for noodles or something for me just yet, but we'll figure it out. I actually have a huge list of things that I need to do today, but I'm gonna have my cup of tea first and just gear myself up for the day, and then I'll let you guys know what it is that we're doing today. It's a homey day, so probably nothing overly exciting for you guys, but lots of organisation for me.
We ordered it and the questions are pretty funny. Also kind of interesting. A lot of things we talk about a lot. Out there about something, you know, true crime related or something intense. I just needed a week to have fun, and I think you guys will really enjoy this, honestly. So we are actually going to be playing for the honor of, like I said, Conspiracy King or Queen.
The Conspiracy Crown.
Be getting the Conspiracy Crown.
That's amazing.
Yes, so that's what's on the agenda for today, but we do have some intro topics for you guys as well. And also we have a guest here.
Last time you were here was 420. Yeah.
Which one is
it? Even goes into sports and other.
Yeah.
Because it is a trivia game, so we are going to be asking trivia questions.
Nicholas, why would Mummy need toilet roll in the bedroom? So this is my current to-do list for the day. So I've sectioned it off into morning, afternoon and evening. Whether or not it stays in this order is a different story, but that's gonna have to wait because Nicholas has gone down for his nap. That I can get off and put in the wash. That I've done. That is on just now. Put the dishwasher on, I've already done that. So just now I'm gonna go ahead and make a shopping list, and I think I'm gonna do the kitchen drawers and the cupboard just now, and then we'll see where we go from here. Okay, so first world problems at their finest. I want to make a cup of tea, but I put the dishwasher on and all of the teaspoons are in the dishwasher, so I don't have a teaspoon. And so now I'm gonna actually have to do something. However, I am slowly getting things off my to-do list, which is making me feel pretty good. Okay, so I've just made a plan of action for tomorrow, along with writing a shopping list of things I need to get tomorrow. I've also written a food shopping list for Spuggy. I have started ticking stuff off. Alexa, pause. I've also started writing down or scoring off stuff on the before baby gets here to-do list. I'm making my way slowly through today's to-do list. Baby's moving. Yep, that looks like a scene from Alien. And ticking off the major checklist. So now I think I'll make that cup of tea and unload the dishwasher. this is the outfit for today. I have this coat, which is from Boohoo, got this scarf, which I don't actually know where I got it from, but if I can find a label on it, I'll let you guys know. I have like this crochet cricket jumper, a white vest from Primark, some gym leggings, and my brown boots because comfort is everything and warmth is everything. And then I have this bag which I got from Primark a couple of years ago, but they always have similar ones in. So yeah. Okay, so basically what's happening today is I have a meeting at work at 11 o'clock. It's now 25 to 11. And then after that, I'm going to go and do a stock-up shop of things like toilet roll, snacks for noodles, candles, batteries, all of that kind of stuff. Because nesting makes you do weird shit, and I want to stock up on everything. So Nicholas is going to his grandma's for a couple of hours. Well, actually more than a couple of hours. I'm going to pick him up at 5 o'clock. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get going. I'm super glad that I curled my hair today because it's pissing down with rain, which means my hair is going to go flat and frizzy. Anyway, I've gotten here quite early. I'm about 20 minutes early. So I think I'm going to go and grab a coffee from Greg's and have that for now, and then head over for the meeting at 11. So let's go. Okay, check. Okay, so Savers has been done. I am now at the shopping mall in Aberdeen, and I'm going to go to Primark, I have to go to the Works, I have to go to the Card Factory, and I have to go to Superdrug. So let's see what we can do. I made the executive decision to drive from my work car park to the shopping centre car park because I currently look like this, and I do have plans to film when I get home. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I got all of my shopping done. I got it all unpacked. I didn't get much housework done, and I didn't get lunch because I ended up FaceTiming with my mum and my stepdad and my dad. So I am now heading to go and pick Nicholas up and take him home, obviously. So let's go. Obviously a stop and pass Starbucks because you can't go somewhere that has a Starbucks drive-through and not get Starbucks. And also I think I am gonna go to Tesco Bridge of Dawn on the way home as well because I freaking love Tesco Bridge of Dawn, and I never really get to go there anymore. So making the most of a trip out, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello guys, so this is a weird video to film. It is Sunday the 4th, 5th, one or the other. I have been having pains since about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Nothing major to start with, now a bit more major. So we are going to the hospital. It's currently like 20 to 11. We have an appointment at 11 to go in and see if this is labour or if this is a trial run. So I suppose I'll update you guys in a